Fine Music 692. We edge ever closer to the magic number 700. And welcome back, the
Thank you.
prodigal music man, Jim
Thank you.
Babwe.
I'm going to do a couple things here. First, I'm going to preview the latest album by Rodney SCOW and its Frightening Recipes. Okay, that's Rodney SCOW and its Frightening Recipes, and it's available on Bandcamp. And you have to just type in Rodney SCOW and his Frightening Recipes. The last song on the album is called Frightening Recipes, and it kind of explains the band's name. We have On the Freeway Last Night, which is a harrowing story of a family member who takes off his clothes and runs on the freeway. He's chased by police, but he won't stop unless they say please. So he keeps going. We have the terrible story called Doing It for the Money, about a man who has to sink his pickup truck into a lake so that he can collect the insurance money. We have the title track Gas, and everybody knows that in chemistry, this is a chemistry lesson for today, matter used to be three states, solid, liquid, and gas, but now they're adding plasma to that. And gas fills up all the available space, okay? You can release gas anywhere you want, like not liquid gasoline, but gas fills up all the available space. And that's what Rodney SCOW's album does. And then we have just another play on the word gas. It's gasoline for breakfast. And the Frightening Recipes, that's one of their things. They have gasoline for breakfast. It helps them burn through the day. Then we have a song titled Ghost in the Cottage Cheese. We have it's titled Sunday School Face, but the rest of the phrase goes, you have a Sunday school face and I have Friday night plans. And then we have the virtual paranormal therapist who tries to offer therapy to people on a remote level, when they're what is it called? Remote visioning. And then what I found and where I found it is a sad story. It's kind of sad because of where Rodney finds Deepak Chopra's wallet in an outhouse by the beach. Okay, he has to fish it out with a coat hanger because his hands don't reach that far down into the pit. He has to, it's not dirty cash, although it sounds like it might be, but he has to clean that, and then he just throws the wallet into the trash. So that's the latest and it's available on Bandcamp, Rodney SCOW, and the Frightening Recipes. You might find his band under different names on Bandcamp anyway, but that's because he fires all of the band members all the time. So, can you play one of the tracks?
I was hoping you would say yes.
Yeah, feel free. Maybe the first one.
Let's see. Just
That'd
make
be
sure I
great.
share the sound here. You want the first track?
Yeah.
Freeway Last Night. Here we go.
Heartfelt soul here, country field.
Hello and good morning. Good morning to you. You finally did what you said you would do. You made local news. You put on a show. And now you're more famous than Jennifer Lopez. We all know you're smart. We all think you're funny. This is too far. We can't get you out. We don't have the money. You took off your hat, you took off your shirt, you took off your shoes. Ooh.
That is our
Nice.
permitted minute.
Yeah, well, you know what? I think you could probably play more than a minute because I think I know who owns the copyright. How about another one?
Yeah, let's do another one. Which one?
Ghost in the
guys
cottage
pick?
cheese. Ghost in
Okay.
the cottage cheese.
There you go.
There has been a request
Yeah.
for the Ghost in the Cottage Cheese.
Way back in the long time ago, when I did not know what I thought I knew. I didn't have the knowledge I was supposed to learn in college. We both believed we could do what we wanted, what we pleased. And that's one reason why our memories are haunted. There's a ghost in our cottage cheese. A ghost in our cottage cheese. If you also did whatever you pleased, I wonder if there's a ghost in your cottage cheese.
It goes to your cottage.
There you go. There you
Rhyming knowledge in college. I love it.
go. There you go.
But there's a groovy kind of country music to that song.
Yeah, I know. It's,
Yeah,
it was,
I like it. Thank you.
I found out that writing lyrics to that style of music is it's a little easier for me. So, and to be truthful here, I did write the lyrics to all of these, but AI does the music and the vocals.
Wow.
You have to manipulate the program a little bit, and it takes a little bit of learning, but eventually if you get them to match, it might be able to pass for something real.
Art for the
But
people.
it's gas, man. It's just gas.
Musicians unite.
There you go.
Musicians unite.
All right. Thank you, Rod. I mean, Jim.
Thanks. You're welcome. You're welcome.